In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DocuSign drop-down fields. This is a comprehensive guide for 2025, and whether you're a novice or someone looking to refine your skills, you're in the right place. Let's delve into how you can conveniently incorporate drop-down fields into your DocuSign documents, enhancing both efficiency and accuracy. First things first, head over to the DocuSign website. Once you're there, log into your account. If you're new to DocuSign, you might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features on the home page. Now, with that set, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and click on Documents. This section is where you can manage and organize all your document-related tasks. If it's your first time using DocuSign, this is the hub that enables you to control and keep track of your documents seamlessly. Next, you'll need to select the appropriate name and email for the recipient. This step is crucial because it ensures that your document reaches the correct individual without any hitches. After selecting the name and email, continue by clicking on the Next button. This action will guide you to the area where you can customize and prepare your document for sending. Now comes an exciting part, adding the drop-down field. On the customization page, you'll want to look for the various field options available. Click on Dropdown, and you'll instantly add a drop-down field to your document. Drop-down fields are excellent for creating standardized responses, reducing errors, and saving your recipients time. With the drop-down field in place, the next step is to click on Edit Values. This allows you to begin customizing what options will appear in the drop-down menu. Start by clicking on ADD option. Here, you'll have the opportunity to type in the first option you'd like to present in your drop-down menu. It could be anything relevant to the document's intent or any information you're seeking from the recipient. Once you've entered your first option, it's important to click on Save to ensure that nothing is lost. You probably want to offer multiple choices, so you'll need to click on ADD option again. Enter additional options based on your needs, and repeat this process for as many options as you deem necessary for your drop-down list. Each time you add an option, remember to save your progress. This simple act can save you from potential frustration and ensure all your information is securely recorded. Once you are satisfied with all the options added and believe the drop-down menu perfectly fits your document's requirements, you can proceed with finalizing your document. Properly utilizing drop-down fields in DocuSign is an excellent way to enhance document consistency and user experience. Hopefully, this guide helps you navigate through adding drop-down fields smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on DocuSign drop-downs.